This video lesson features the most essential learning competencies in general mathematics subject of the K-12 curriculum. This is a step-by-step tutorial making difficult to understand into easy to learn topics or competencies. Given f of x is equal to x minus 1, g of x is equal to x squared plus x plus 1, h of x is equal to x cubed minus 1 all over x minus 1. Find letter A, f times g of x. Letter B, g divided by h of x. Unahin muna natin ang f times g of x. By definition, this is equal to f of x times g of x. Ang una natin gawin dito ay papalitan lang natin ang mga function notations, ang f of x, tsaka yung g of x with their respective expressions. So, ang f of x ay papalitan natin ng x minus 1 at ang g of x naman ay papalitan lang natin ito ng x squared plus x plus 1. Ang susunod ay i-multiply na natin. Kagaya lang din ito kung paano tayo mag-multiply ng polynomials. So, pwede natin gamitan ito ng vertical method or pwede rin ang horizontal multiplication. So, wag lang natin kalimutang i-apply dito ang product law of exponent. So, kung naalala nyo pa, ang product law ay x to the power of a times x to the power of b is equal to x raised to the power of a plus b. Okay, gawin na natin. So, ang ipapakita ko dito ay horizontal multiplication. So, remember, multiplication distributes over addition. So, ang gawin natin ay distribute natin ang x minus 1 to each term in the other expression. So, meron tayong x squared times x minus 1 plus x times x minus 1 plus 1 times x minus 1. So, ang ginagawa natin dito ay distribute lang natin yung x minus 1 to each term in the other expression. Remember that commutative property holds for multiplication. So, change in order does not alter the product. So, kung halimbawa, ang x squared times x minus 1 ay pwede rin nating isulat na x minus 1 times x squared. At hindi magbabago yung product pag pinagpalit natin yung position, no, or we switch their position or the order. Simplifying further, we have x squared times x, which is x cubed. X squared times negative 1 is negative x squared. Positive x times x is positive x squared. Positive x times negative 1 is negative x. Positive 1 times x is positive x. Positive 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. So, meron na tayong x cubed minus x squared plus x squared minus x plus x minus 1. So, ang susunod ay i-combine na natin ang mga similar terms. We have minus x squared plus x squared, and that is 0. And then negative x plus x is also 0. So, ang naiwan ay x cubed minus 1 na lang sapagkat ang 0 ay ang additive identity element at hindi magbabago ang expression or expressions if we add 0. So hence, ang sagot natin sa f times g of x ay x cubed minus 1. Dadako na tayo sa division of functions. So what is g divided by h of x? By definition, this is equal to g of x over h of x. Take note that h of x here cannot be 0 kasi magiging undefined if h of x is 0. So, ang una natin gawin dito ay papalitan natin ang g of x at h of x with their respective expressions. So, ang g of x is papalitan natin ng x square plus x plus 1. Tapos, yung h of x naman ay papalitan natin ng x cubed minus 1 all over x minus 1. When you divide two functions, what you get is a rational expression or division of two polynomials. Kaya lang, ang nakikita ninyo ay division of rational expressions. So, ang gagawin natin ay kunin natin ang reciprocal or ito yung tinatawag natin na multiplicative inverse of the divisor and then proceed to multiplication. So, pag sinabing multiplicative inverse, ang gagawin lang natin ay pagpalit lang natin ang numerator at saka yung denominator. Then after this, proceed to multiplication. So, meron na tayong x square plus x plus 1 times x minus 1 all over x cubed minus 1. Ang susunod ay completely factor both numerators and denominators of all fractions. So, ang x square plus x plus 1 is already prime polynomial. Ibig sabihin, wala na tayong makukuha na ibang factors except 1 and x square plus x plus 1. So, if this is the case, tinatawag natin itong prime polynomial o ito yung tinatawag na irreducible polynomial. At ang x minus 1 ay prime polynomial din. Okay, samantala ang x cubed minus 1 ay ito yung tinatawag na difference of two cubes. So, bago tayo nagsimula kanina ay itinuro ko sa inyo kung paano kunin ang factors ng mga ito. So, ang factors ng x cubed minus 1 ay product of a binomial and a trinomial. So, we have x minus 1 and x square plus x plus 1. Pagkatapos nito ay i-apply na natin ang division law in order to reduce the fractions. So, x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 is 1. Tapos, x square plus x plus 1 divided by x square plus x plus 1 is also 1. So, ang naiwan ay 1 times 1 is 1. So, therefore, ang sagot natin sa g divided by h of x is 1.